Now, Western Cape Police Officer Richard Smith is back in court this morning applying for bail. He's accused of killing his girlfriend in front of her son. The murder was caught on CCTV camera. For more, we're joined by reporter Ronald Masinda, who can give us a bit more details. Ronald, the last time Smith appeared in court, his lawyer called in sick, which basically angered the magistrate. I see you're also with community members. They're calling for no bail.
Yes, indeed, Maseko. That not only angered the magistrate, but also the large crowd that is gathered outside of the Piketberg Magistrates Court. They are saying that the accused must not receive bail. This after he allegedly gunned down his girlfriend early in the new year. Natasha Boyser was shot and killed in front of a 10-year-old son. Now, joining me is a family member, Erica Jackson. Thank you so much for your time. Talk us through what actually took place on that fatal night.
I wasn't here, but as a mother told me, she was on an outing, not an outing, they went for a photo shoot with a family from Peru. And Maka, the accused, he did phone her, Natasha, to come and join him. And she said to him that she wants to spend time with the family. And he didn't act to that, sorry. He came as he approached Natasha at the, I think the shop there where the farmhouse. And then Natasha came over to him. I don't know what happened there, they argue. And as Natasha was leaving, he shot her from behind. And she fell to the ground. And that was in front of a 12-year-old son. And at the moment, I don't want to talk about that.
Okay.
I want to talk about the frustration that we have as a family and as a community.
Yes, yes.
Especially Leogan, this morning, as we were preparing for the court case, he was asking for us.
Is Logan the son?
Leogan. Is he going to be released today? So in his voice, you can hear there's fear. So I don't know what he maybe said to him before his mother passed, or that incident there where it took place, because every Thursday he has to go for counseling. And a 12-year-old, I don't think it's fair that he has to go through this now. In the evening, he lies next to his grandmother, he's asking for his mother. And the privileges that Maka is getting here at that court, especially from his ex-colleagues, it's not fair.
Okay. What kind of privileges, if I may ask?
I've been to courts, not several times, and I've seen, as the judge stand up, the court is dismissed. They took the criminal down, but his family can come and hug him. They can give him food parcels. After there's a note that states you can't give food parcels here. It's not right. And the other thing is, we can't hug Natasha. We can't give her. Yesterday it was 3 months after passing, and it's hurting us because he didn't think twice to shot her, and he didn't shot her once. She's buried with one bullet in her shoulder they could have taken out.
Absolutely heartbreaking. If I may ask, does the alleged accused, does he have a history of violence?
Yes. I don't know him personally, but I got to know him through all the cases that there was. That I heard here in the court. The investigator, I think there was 5, I'm not sure, 7 cases or something that's sent up. And still, he's getting privilege. And I think South Africa's system, justice system, is failing everybody. In South Africa, they can kill, they can rape, and steal. And you know what? 20 years ago, we didn't get justice for our brother. He was murdered. But we want justice for Natasha, for her son, for her mother, Dorothea, and for her father, Leon Love. We want justice for them.
All right. Erica, we do understand that the accused has resigned from his position in the SAPS. Is this perhaps, in your view, an act of guilt?
I don't think, and to me, it doesn't look like he showed any remorse. Really. He's looking around for his family. We're still waiting for Natasha to come in, but we can't see her. But his family's got the privilege to go and see him and hug him, as I told you. And it's not fair. If you murder somebody, then you must sit there. I don't know why, even know why he's applying for bail. Because he did commit a crime, not once, and he was also shooting at Natasha's aunt. So I don't know.
In closing, the court proceedings are about to start. We have to rush there. But what I want to ask you, if things don't go your way, what's next?
There's people in higher places. And we will get justice for Natasha. I can promise you this. We will get justice for Natasha. And with this people, the community of Piketberg behind us, we will get justice for Natasha.
All right, that's the family of Natasha Boyce. We are about to get into court, Maseko, to listen into those proceedings.
All right, Ronald Masinda, let's leave it there for now. Quite emotional interview there with the family member of Natasha Boyce.